Filipinos, we have Afghan, we have Indian, we have Sri Lankan, you can name it. We have a lot of new members from different backgrounds. So hopefully we will have more support from the council, and we will bring our Asian business to the next level, to more multicultural. And keep in mind, today on this stage here, we have prepared a lot of performance, and again, it's multicultural performance. We have the Cook Island, we have Mexican dance, we have Cambodian dance, we have the Japanese drum, we have the Chinese band, we have the Vietnamese opera, we have the Vietnamese band, we have the English band, so good, so on, so on. But the main attraction for tonight at 9 p.m. tonight, I hope you all come back to join us with the firework behind the stage here at 9 p.m. That's it. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Because I ran out of water, so I can't.